Alright, we've created an iframe on the customer form that filters out employees. Now when we add an employee at the moment, you actually have to add the employer. Now if we've already got the employer on the screen, it'd be nice to have that done automatically. So what we'll do is we're going to create some JavaScript code on this form, on this iframe form, that will go and pick up the record ID from the main form. So if it's not the main form and this is an edit screen, we're going to hide the customer ID, and if it's a new record with jQuery, we're going to add the value from the main form, and then we're going to run change, because then we'll know there's a field there that needs saving to the database. So we'll go and refresh that, and so you can see that now we don't have Fred's Tackle there. We don't have the customer pick. So we'll just add Jim King here, and we'll go back to the main screen, and you can see it's added Jim. There we go.